Good morning, children. And today's topic is about rocks and minerals. So, we are going to learn about rocks and minerals, the importance of rocks and minerals in our daily life. Rocks are found everywhere. So, they are found on the earth, inside the earth. And these rocks are very useful to us in our daily life. Rocks are hard matter and they don't have a particular shape or color, means they can exist in any shape and any color, and most of the rocks are found inside the earth and some are found on the earth also. What are the different kinds of rocks? Rocks and minerals. Rocks are found everywhere above or below the surface of the earth. Some rocks are found at the bottom and some are found on the ground level. Even some rocks are found in the seas below, means down, bottom of the sea. Rocks are hard matter and can be of various shapes, colors and sizes. These are the rocks. They are found everywhere on the earth. You may found on the land or you may found near the sea coast, coastal areas. Yes, inside the down bottom of the seas and oceans. So everywhere you can found the rocks. What are the different kinds of rocks? The different kinds of rocks are of usually two types. They are hard rock and soft rock. Yes, hard rock and soft rock. Granite, marble and sandstone are hard rocks. Coal, charcoal, yes, chalk and slate are some of the examples of soft rock. So these are the different types of rocks. Yes, granite, marble, sandstone, coal, chalk, slate. These are the different examples of. So whatever the picture you are seeing here, these are all examples for hard rocks. And the next picture is the example of soft rock. Like coal, chalk, slate. Yes, these are the soft rocks. Coming to the uses of rocks. First one, granite. Granite is used for making floor tiles and walls. You can do excellent with granite. Your home finishing, your decorations, everything inside. You may call it as interior decoration of the houses. Either you use for a hall, you use for your bedrooms, even kitchens, study rooms, halls, whatever it may be. You can do wonders with this rock. Yes, see this. How beautiful this kitchen is. Not only this, variety of kitchens you can make by using this granite. Yes, it is used for making floor tiles and walls. And here also you can see the hall of a building and floor of the building. Next. Marble is mostly white in color. It is used to construct buildings, houses, statues and floors. The Taj Mahal in Agra is made of white marble. Children, one by one we are seeing the different kinds of rocks and we are knowing about the uses also, how they are used in our daily life. First one is like granite. Granite is used for making floor tiles and walls. And next one is marble. Marble is mostly white in color. It is used to construct buildings, houses, statues and floats. The Taj Mahal in Agra is made up of marble only. These are the examples of marble. Taj Mahal in Agra, Delhi, it is made up of white marble. Statues also made up of white marble, and mostly you can finish your interior decorations with this marble. Sandstone is one of the, yes, other kind of rock. It is used as a building material. Sandstone is used as a building material. The Red Fort and the Qutub Minar in Delhi are made of sandstone. The Red Fort and the Qutub Minar. These two are made with sandstones only. These are the example for the buildings which are made by sandstone. Coal is a black rock. It is neither too hard nor too soft. It is used as a fuel to cook food and in factories. Coal, yes, coal, you call it as coal or charcoal. It is a black color rock. It is neither too hard nor too soft. So it will be in medium. Mostly this coal will use to cook food. So mostly we can see people using coal as the fuel. So to prepare or to cook the food, and in factories also. Especially this coal is used in the thermal power stations to produce electricity. See, to produce electricity, the you can give the example of Ramagundam thermal power station in our Telangana. So it is one of the best example where they use coal to produce electricity. Ramagundam thermal power station. So there they produce electricity by using this coal only. Chalk or chalk is usually a white color soft rock. It is used to write on the blackboard. So this usually white color chalk will make into powder. They make into powder and they add different colors, and they even prepare different color chalks also. So it is usually it is white in color, but you can give for colors for it. They make into powder and they make into different colors. So mainly we use this chalk to write on the board. Slate is a hard rock. It is used for making blackboard and roof of the houses. So mainly they use this to make the roof of the houses. It is a hard rock, and most of the slate will be in black color only. And it is used to make the slates where we write, or blackboards where we write, and they are also used to make the roofs of the house. So this is all about the kinds of stones. Okay, these are the different kinds of stones. Yes, hard stone or hard rock and soft rock, and these are all the hard rocks, and these are all the soft rocks. And the uses of rocks are: granite is used for making tiles and walls. Marble is mostly white in color, and it is used to construct buildings, houses, statues and floats. And best example you can give, the Taj Mahal in Agra is made up of marble only. Next, sandstone is used for building material, and examples are Red Fort and Qutub Minar in our country in Delhi. So they are made of this sandstone. Coal is a black rock. It's neither too hot nor too soft. It is used as a fuel to cook food and even in factories and industries. Yes, they generate electricity also by using this coal. Next, slate is a hard rock. It is used for making blackboard and roofs of the houses. So this is about the rocks. Now coming to minerals. All rocks are made of one or more minerals. So the rocks are made up of minerals. A mineral is useful substance found inside the earth. So most of the minerals we found inside the earth. That's the reason they dig the earth and they get different types of minerals from the earth. Example are iron, gold, graphite, gemstones, etc. These are the different examples of the minerals. Now one by one we will see what are the uses of minerals. Minerals are used to make many things for daily purpose. So for daily purpose we use these minerals for making many things. And the first one we take as iron. Iron is used for making machines, bridges and tools. Iron. So in our daily life also we see many iron products in our house. So generally we come across bridges which are made of iron. The materials or machines, tools, yes, they are made up of iron. And sometimes pans what we are using at home, they are also made up of iron. Pipes, machines and the building material. Here to construct the houses they use the iron for building material. Okay, so these are the uses of iron. Next coming to gold and silver. Gold and silver. So these are called as gold biscuits and silver biscuits. Gold and silver are used for making jewelry. So before getting into a shape or before making into jewelry, so gold will be like this. Not only like this, other structures also it will be, but this is called as a biscuit model. You call it as a biscuit model. Either it is called a gold biscuit or silver biscuit. Okay. Now after that, this gold and silver, yes, they are used to prepare different types of ornaments, jewelry. Yes, gold jewelry and silver. They make different things with the gold and silver. So these are the different products. Yes. Next, coming to gemstones. Yes, what are the examples of gemstones? Diamonds, ruby, and emerald. So these are the examples of gemstones. Gemstones such as diamonds, ruby, and emerald are hard minerals. They are used to make jewelry. Diamond is used even to cut glasses also. So the glass which we use no in our houses, so that glasses, so to make them into a shape, to cut them, so they use this diamond. So these are the different types of gemstones: diamonds, ruby, and emerald. They are very hard in nature, and these are all different. See here, diamonds. This is a diamond, and you can use, they use the diamond to cut the glass. And the red color one is the ruby. Yes, and this is a ruby jewelry, the jewelry which is made with ruby. And the green color one is the emerald, and they even make jewelry with emerald also. These are the different jewelries which they use, they prepare with the diamond, ruby, and emerald. Last one is graphite. So graphite is a soft black mineral used to make lead in pencils. So the pencils which we are writing, I think every one of you have a pencil in your hand. So which we are writing daily. So the inside material is made with graphite. It is a soft black mineral used to make lead in pencils. All rocks are made of one or more minerals. A mineral is useful substance found inside the earth. Iron, gold, graphite, gemstone, these are the different minerals. Uses of minerals. Minerals are used to make many things for daily purposes. Iron is used to make machines, bridges, and tools. Gold and silver. Gold and silver are used for making jewelry. They are very cost. Yes, these are the different products which you get from gold and silver. Gemstones, diamonds, ruby, and emerald. These are called gemstones. They are used to make jewelry. Diamond is even used to cut the glass. So these are the different products which we get from diamonds, ruby, and emerald. Next, graphite is a soft black mineral used to make lead in pencils.